How to find your purchased ringtones on iPhone. To get started, first of all, open up the Settings application on your phone. Over here, scroll down to find Sounds and Haptics on the menu. Then, tap on Ringtone to view the Tone Store as shown. Tone Store is an online marketplace where you can buy and download new ringtones and alert tones directly from the Settings menu. As you visit the Tone Store, you'll see Tones, Purchased and Downloads options here. Now, select Purchased. Then, your screen transition will show a music option. Select Music here. Here, you'll be shown all your purchased ringtones. Since no ringtone has been purchased from this device, this section is empty. Following these steps, you can easily find all your purchased ringtones. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.